Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we are going to work on the approving or reject the theater status from the admin panel. So right now you can see the user can be able to see his theaters. So Victor Mahal, address, phone number, email. So here I am going to have one more button, one more column that is called as the status. So let me go to the theaters list in the profile. Yeah, this is the one. So after the email I am going to have status data index is nothing but is active, actually is active, and here written. So I'm just writing it here, close this out, put a comma. So if text is true, that means in the text we are going to have the is active value. So if is active is equal to true, I am going to return a normal string, approved or active, anything you can give, else pending, pending or blocked, yeah, perfect. Here you can see the status is pending or blocked because we have the status yet to be approved in the admin panel. So now let me log in with the Arjun account, who is having the admin access. Arjun 123 4 5 6 7 8, login. Yeah, so once if I click on the Arjun, I should be able to see the movies as well as the theaters. So here's I have to get all the theaters, not only the user, not only theaters by only one owner. So I have to get all the theaters. So what I'm going to do means simply I'm going to copy the code of the theaters list which is present in the profile. Then I will start making the changes. So copy this and put it here. So we don't need the form because admin cannot edit the theater form. So admin cannot see this add new button also. So admin will only able to see the table. Okay, and then theater form import is also not required. Okay, this button is also not required. So while making these copy and paste changes, be careful. So all these things are not required. Even the user is also not required. User, navigate, we only require get data and columns. Handle delete, admin cannot delete, only he can reject the status. Okay, so now come to the actions. So get rid of all the content which is having existing, get rid of everything. Okay, so only user is not defined now. Let's see what is the user and where we are using that. Get data. So here instead of get theaters by owner, we are going to call get all theaters. Okay, get rid of this delete theater and also get all theaters. So we have formatted the code, it is working as expected now. Okay, let's see the output once. Awesome. So here you can see admin can able to see the list of theaters. So here if it is pending or blocked, I am going to have the action like active, make it active. If it is already active, block. So I am going to write, okay, if record.isActive, I am going to have a element like span element with the class name, cursor pointer, or else just have underline. Okay, make it and, yeah. So the text should be, so if it is active, we need to have block, else if not is active, make it approve. Awesome. So here you can see right now it is pending or blocked state. So I got the approve button. So if it is already approved, I am going to get the what I can say block button. Now let me write the change. So const, we need to write the API first. Let's come from the backend. Okay. So already you have this update theater. So you just need to pass the theater ID and the request body what you are changing. Or else if you want to write the separate API also, you can do that. That's up to you. Okay. Let me use the same thing, update theater only. So go to the theaters list admin. Okay, so here I am just writing const handle status change, handle status change ID. Not only ID, we need the complete object. So record or data, what I can say, theater. Yeah, theater. So here I'm just writing it here, dispatch. Okay, so handle status change. So first dispatch show loading, await update theater. So everything is okay. Response.success, get data again, message.error, dispatch hide loading. So here we need to be careful. So first what you have to do means, let's go to the update theater API, update theater, and see what they are expecting. So it is expecting the normal payload with the theater ID. So I am going to convert this as like that only. So first we need to have the theater ID is equal to theater._ID, and remaining will be normal theater, and then you need to have the isActive is equal to opposite of the existing, not of theater.isActive. That's all. I think it should work properly. So let's come to the theaters. I'm just clicking on this approve button. Oh, we didn't write the on click yet. For both the things you have to write the same. Yes, I'm just clicking on the approve. Awesome. So here you can see theater updated successfully and the status is approved. So now let me log out and log in with the John credentials. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Login. John theaters. You can see status is approved. So let's keep the John here itself, and in the incognito I'm going to open the admin always. Arjun 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Login. Why the images are not loading? Yeah, so theaters. Now I'm going to block this. So pending or blocked. So here also pending or blocked. Awesome. Now here we need to have the shows, what I can say, adjust shows or add shows, anything you can write. So let's go to the theaters. So pages, profile, theaters list. Okay, so these are the actions, right? Yeah. Now here I'm going to write if okay, this is admin level, not here. In the owner level we need to have the shows, theaters list. Yeah, here. So you have these two icons. So after these two icons, if record.isActive, I am going to have the shows button, span element, class name, underline, shows. Perfect. Okay, it is pending. That is the reason I could not able to see the shows here. So once I will go to the admin and I will approve, and theaters. Yeah, so here you can see I got the shows. So let me align it. Item center. Perfect. So here you can see I got these shows. So once I click on these shows, I have to get a model pop-up, the list of shows running in this theater. Or else if you want to do this in a separate page also you can do, but we can utilize the model pop-ups to understand easily. Okay, so that we are going to handle in the next section. The next section will be completely related to the shows. Thank you.